Somebody was on the couch.
Well, who threw up on the carpet?
Were you up on that couch? I hope nobody's been on the couch.
What happened?
Let me check it out. I'll know. I can tell by the face. You know better. You know better. Denver. It's all warm. You were on the couch.
Last week it was the crayons. You ate the crayons.
You need to clean your ears.
And then you took the apple out of my bag.
What'd you do here? What happened?
Oh, come on.
Mommy's gonna have a heart attack. You got into Scooby Snacks? Huh. Oh my goodness, Denver, you did.
What is going on, Denver? Denver, did you do this?
Uh-huh. Denver.
Let me see your face.
Oh my goodness, Denver, you didn't. Mommy's gonna have a heart attack. I know it.
You got into Kitty Cat's treats?
What? Do you miss me that much? While I was gone? So, Denver, this morning I had an eye doctor appointment, and I went to the appointment, and after I left the house I forgot something, so I turned around and came back in, and I saw you sneaking out of my bedroom. So now that I'm home and I've come into the bedroom and I find the trash can destroyed. So I just got a couple questions for you, Denver. What happened? What's going on here? What? Denver.